are really good for us. But you don't like to eat them as it is? No problem. Today I am going to show you how to make fruit sundae on your own. So you can make this and enjoy having fruits. So let's get started. Over here I have taken some chopped apples, chopped bananas and some grapes. We also need curd, milk powder, gems, jam and some chaat masala. First, in a big bowl, we are going to add some curd. I am going to take some curd and to this I am going to add some milk powder. Now I am going to mix them well. We'll mix them well and also add some chaat masala to this. This time I am also adding some apples, some bananas and some grapes. Now I'll mix them well again. See, after this we are going to take a serving glass. I'm going to add this to the serving glass. It's really yummy. To add some more flavor, we are going to add a layer of jam. This is really a very healthy recipe as we have added fruits and also the goodness of curd is in there. Now I am going to add some fruits on the top and also some gems to decorate our fruit sundae. See children, I am already ready with my fruit sundae. You also want to have one? Make one for yourself. You should have fruits because fruits are good for us. For more such non-fire cooking videos, check out our series. Thank you.